Namaste Vidyaon, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumawat, Assistant Professor of Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy at Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1988. In this drug, we study the ban of the narcotic drugs and psychotic drugs like opium. This act is given in determined in certain cases of the purpose of avoiding illegal activity in opiate drugs and psychotropic substance and com- combating main handle of such drugs and substance and fourth, four things associated therewith. Illegal activity in opiate drugs and psychotropic substance posture is genuine risk of well-being and welfare of the individuals and exercise of the people locked in such illegal activity with harmful impact in national economy. Although having the respect to the people by whom and way in which illegal activity is sorted out and carried on, having respect to the truth that in the certain reason which are profoundly powerless to such illegal activity and such exercise in a significant greatness are cleanliness composed and carried on is fundamental for the compelling anticipation for such exercise to supply the location and people concerned with it. Cultivating the opium and poppy and cannabis plants are banned. Engaging in the production, manufacture and possession, sale, purpose, transportation, warehouse, and consumption, import and export are the opium drugs and psychotropic drugs are banned. Dealing in the narcotic drug and psychotropic substance otherwise than is provided is banned. Handling and letting any permissible use and the purpose referred in the substances financing in any activity by himself or other person support of the doing this act is harmful. After we studied that the medicinal and toilet preparation, yeah, or exercise act 1955, in this act or this act provide for the levy and collection of the duties of exercise or on the medicinal plant, medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol like narcotic drug or narcotic substance. It extends the whole of India. It shall come into the force such a date of the central government, may be the notification in the official gazette appoint. Duties of exercise to be levied and collected on the certain goods. Like there shall be the levied duties of exercise and rates specified in the schedule on the dutiable good manufacturers in India. The duty aforesaid shall be leviable where the dutiable goods are manufactured in bond the state in which the in which such goods are released from the bonded warehouse in home consumption where the state of manufacture or not. Certain operation to be subjected to license. The central government may the notification or official gazette provide that from such date as may be specified in the notification, no person shall engage in the production, manufacture and dutiable goods or specified component, parts or ingredient of such goods like opium, psychotropic drugs, in authority and accordance in the terms and conditional license granted under this act, like every license under subsection shall be granted in for such area if or such period subjected to such restriction and condition in such forms are containing for particulars as may be prescribed. Offenses and penalty if any person is engaged this act. Uh, Last act is Drug and Price Control Act, Order 1970, and relevance uh, topics. Cost control of drug and details have a long history in India. The primary cost control arrange was issued beneath of the Guard of India Act in 1963. Cost control order have been the issued beneath the Basic Commodities Act from 1970 onwards. The medicine cost control arranged in the 1970 was a degree of the defined interference of the shoppers were giving for the limited but sensible return to the market makers. At the same time, with the invalidation of the item license in 1970, the degree brought approximately a time of cheaper medication in India, but a cost of weakened mental property rights. The DC, DPCO has been revised thrice since at the point final being in 1995. The price control order in the 1995 has presented three parameters to guarantee appropriate the advertised condition: turnover, advertised restraining infrastructure, advertised competition beneath of this cost of 74 bulk drugs, and their detailing these control speaking of the around 20% of pharma showcase bulk drugs with a turnover 40 million a year. If there is any changes of selling price can be affected only by having prior approval of the central government. But under the subsequent amendment in this order for a change in this price, in the prior approval of central government will not be necessary for the drug mentioned medicine covered the list edition of homeopathy pharmacopoeias of USA, UK, Germany and India not having a specific brand. We study many acts and legislation of the homeopathy pharmacy. Hope you all are the understand these topics. Namaste.